Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80131500 on your Windows. So while you are on your Microsoft Store trying to download applications and you encounter this error code 0x80131500 or 500, then please watch this video. So let's go quick into the solutions. First method is in the Windows search bar, type here Store. Best match Microsoft Store. Right click on that and then select App Settings. Now, simply scroll down and you will find Repair button. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on Repair button. Now, after you have clicked on the repair button, try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if the problem is still there, go back to the same window right here and click on reset. And then click on reset button once again. Now, after you have reset the Microsoft Store, what you can do is simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Now, the next method is we need to press the Windows key and our button together to open the Run window, or you can simply make a right click at the Start button and click on Run. Now here in the Run window, you need to type wsreset.exe. It's wsreset.exe, wreset.exe. This is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Now click on OK. And this will bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. So here you can just simply continue downloading applications or download the applications that you want. Now for the third method is we can also run a command to repair and scan for corrupt files and to repair the Windows. So in the Windows search bar, type here cmd best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Now here in the elevated command prompt or the block window, type here sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time. As you can see, this is starting the process. So let's just minimize this for now. And for the final method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So how can we do that? Click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. Then here, you need to do what it suggests on this button. You can click on this to check for any updates, download and install all updates, or click on the Restart Now button so that after you have restarted your Windows, all the updates will be installed into your Windows. Now let's bring up our command prompt. So once this is done, what you can do is simply make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.